What's up, everybody? My name is Zach Hartley. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, and I run a Shopify website where I sell pet products. I sell toys, collars, leashes, just about everything you could imagine, and I sell it on a website. And I've been trying to increase my conversion rate for about 6 months now, and I finally came across Better Replay, and it has completely changed the game. When I first implemented it, first of all, it was quick and easy to install. It was easy to use, and it was easy to just do what I needed it to do, which was a great thing. And then when I started to implement it and I started to watch the screen recordings of people actually on my website, that's when I realized, holy cow, this is an actually really powerful tool. So I started using it, and the first thing I realized was that I had a huge number of people that just couldn't figure out how to choose the different variants of my product. They just couldn't figure out the sizing and the pricing and how it all worked. And so I was able to fix that using, or I was able to realize it was a problem by using Better Replay. And then I fixed that right away. And it drastically helped me increase my conversion rate. After that, I kept watching it and I kept studying it. And I realized that people would go from one product to another. And so I used that information and I figured out what product they would go to most often using these replays. And then I would recommend those products to people that didn't go to that product. So if somebody, or if a group of people usually buys a dog bed and then they buy this toy, I would recommend that toy to the next group of people. And so I used Better Replay to, one, improve my conversion rate, figure out what was happening on my website, and increase sales. And it worked out absolutely fantastic. So I'm pretty happy with the service. I would definitely recommend using it to anybody else. And if there's anything else, let me know. But it's definitely a great service. And I wouldn't run a Shopify store without it. So that's my 2 cents. Thanks.